Trading is a learning experience. Every failure is not a lose. It's a learning experience, bro. And today was a massive failure. Oh, let's get into it. We're on Euro USD today. Took a trade on it. As you can see, daily is extremely bullish. It's like woof woof bullish. You know what I'm saying? Like a bull. It's like a bull, you know what I'm saying? And 4 hour was also pretty bullish, dude. Yeah, 4 hour was bullish. However, when we came, let's mark out market open. Market opened. Boom, right here. Hold on. Yeah, so market opened. We can see on the hourly, we were bearish. So that means we're retracing on the 4 hour. So, I marked out 4 hour equilibrium. So boom, mark this out, 4 hour equilibrium. We tapped into it. And yeah, we tapped into the 4 hour equilibrium. Then I went to the 15 minute. And this is where mistakes were made. So, we had this 15-minute fair value gap. That was right there. It got disrespected because that candle closed it. Oh, like closed above it. And this fair value gap also got disrespected. See right there, it got disrespected. But if you were smart, you'd see that on the 1 hour, where you still have a massive fair value gap right here. And that hasn't got disrespected. So I don't know why I considered that 15-minute fair value gap getting disrespected to be a break of structure. So I would have not lost this trade because we never got a break of structure to the upside. Like, besides like right over here. So that was a mistake. I should have waited. It's better to wait for an actual break structure. So I just called that a break structure, I guess. Oops. Then I went to 5 minute. We had a fair value gap right here. We filled it and got we tapped into it. Oh, it did not go to 1 second. I went down to 1 minute. Waited for a break of structure to the upside. And I entered long. And then, boom, we went down. I'm just going to delete this. Actually, no. We went down to retrace even farther. So that's why I should have waited for a 15-minute break of structure in the first place. Because I think we retraced on into hourly. We retraced into hourly equilibrium. So, mistakes were made. But see, we retraced into hourly equilibrium. So I could have, once we got a reaction out of it, could have waited for a 15-minute break structure. Boom, we broke structure to the upside right on that candle. I could have scaled down. Let's see. Accumulation area. Waiting for tap into it that we just got. Another break of structure that we just got. Should I enter? No, I'm not over trading. I'm not entering, but I'm just saying. So if we break structure here, then we go down to 1 minute, find a 1 minute confluence, and then we can enter long. Let's see. Yeah, this is like the touch grass session right now. New York is closed and Asian is open. It's called touch grass session. So go touch some grass, boy. So I would never probably trade touch grass session because I never touch grass. So yeah, pretty bad trade. I'm gonna go cry. And I don't know. I don't even know what I'm doing. I don't know. It's okay to lose sometimes. Why did I lose that? No. Bro.